New Joji album just dropped. It's called Nectar, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to play High Hopes. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So for this entire song, we're going to be doing a single riff. It starts on the 2nd fret of the A string, then 2nd fret low E string, 2nd fret A string, 1st fret D string, then 4th fret A string, and you're going to slide down to the 3rd fret of the A string and back up to the 4th fret. Then open A string, open low E string, 4th fret low E string, 4th fret A string. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the other guitar. It's also doing the same thing throughout the entire song. So it starts on the 4th fret of the B string, then 6th fret D string, 6th fret G string, 6th fret D string again, then 5th fret B string, 6th fret D string, 5th fret B string, 6th fret D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for High Hopes. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.